musical freestyle is the only sport where the dog has a say or a voice as a teammate. If you open this video, chances are we share that passion for training our dogs, for music, and for movement as self-expression. You know, every dog is unique, every team is unique, and that's to be honored. I'm Judy, the owner of Dogs Can Dance, and I'm welcoming you to the Dogs Can Dance Learning Center. Whether you have a small puppy, or a super senior dog, or you're an absolute beginner, or advanced performance team, we have a course for you. You know, the last few years has really showed me the value in online classes. When we couldn't get out to a training center to study under someone else, I was able to train teams all around the world, and I continue to do so today. I've been coaching since the year 2000, and I am so proud of those teams everywhere in the world. You can be one of those teams. Let's take a look at some of the classes available on the Dogs Can Dance Learning Center.
Before you step into the ring is critical if you plan to perform. Dogs Really Can Dance is your first step in freestyle. Handler's of Motion teaches you how your body communicates clearly to your dog. Dancing for Smiles is perfect for therapy dogs or those who love to perform with props and entertain. Expanding a Thought is a great class for those of you who need new ideas.
New courses are becoming available at the Dogs Can Dance Learning Center every month. So check back often and see if there's something there that interests you. I'm sure, like I said, there will be, because there's something for everyone. And once again, every dog deserves to dance. If you have questions, just email me at judy@dogscandance.com, and I'll be glad to answer your questions for you, because now you have a coach and we're on this journey together.